The victims of yesterday's fire, which destroyed over 12 homes on Ladd Land and Fleet Street in central Kingston, are crying out for help to put a roof over their heads. Now, the victims have received care packages and mattresses, but they say they are now in need of more tangible help.
It's the morning after the massive fire, and the victims, more than 50 of them, must now ponder their next move. In the meantime, with nothing else to do, they occupy their time on their gadgets. With all their belongings, including school uniforms, destroyed in the blaze, the children could not attend school. This little girl managed to save a book she tries to write in. The victims, who had no friend or relative to offer them a place to sleep last night, made their beds in the open air.
It's hard, to be honest. We practically slept on the road, with our beds in the road. Passerby threw towels and sheet over some of us.
The place they once called home now flattened. The fire burned for hours, and while it has been completely extinguished, the effects linger, leaving the victims in a tailspin.
It's now raining, and everybody else in their bed, we just sit down watching the rain. No clothes. We get food stuff, but nothing to cook with the food. Nothing to cook. It's just crazy. Never in our wildest dream we would imagine this.
Some victims were able to save a few items, but still.
What's going to happen now? You sleep on the ground last night. What's going to happen tonight? You have no ground tonight because the ground is wet.
Right.
What happens tonight? What's the plan?
Just going with the flow. Not going so we don't have friends that we can beg a night's rest, but how long the night's rest is going to be for, people need them space. So we're just going with the flow.
The victims are crying out for help to help themselves.
Need assistance as urgent as possible because my friend them not live now with them, not have nothing at all. My uncle house seat there, gone to the ground, no structure, no nothing at all, because some ancient days house them that were black build them, so you know what type of house them house there. Some rotten board and some rotten something, so we need as soon as possible, whether black, whether cement, whether sand, anything, zinc, anything. May I beg you, please? I'm pleading to the government, I'm pleading to everybody and your oldness, I'm pleading to, this is not no JLP and no PMP situation like right now.
So far, they've received some food and care packages. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Now coming